quick.
And I'm feeling
There we go, that downshifting's a little bit better. Go. Stop. Oh, that was pretty close. That was a good one. Good one. I feel like I should stop and ask him if he needs help putting on his new mailbox onto his post. I like your truck, sir. God damn it. And I haven't even eaten or drinking anything today. Not even coffee. Woo! I'm just high on life. Amen! Give me a hallelujah! Oh! Run over the H? Yeah! I tried to run over the straight lines on the H. I don't know why. I guess that's just weird. If you haven't been able to tell, I'm a little weird, crazy, mental, whatever you want to call it. I am, okay, let's say moderate. I'm a moderate amount. Not so much little, just a moderate. So yeah, if anybody's in the Northeast Ohio area, I'll try and get this video out before Thursday. You want to come out and join the videos? Come out and join, man. Comments! Even though there's only like 20 people who watch my videos, and I don't even know if all of you watch my videos. I think you guys just subscribe because you're my family members and you love me and you support me. And in there, I love you too. Thank you. Even my father, who's probably going to try and destroy everything I have motorcycle related. I promise you, Dad, I am not distracted. Squirrel!